Maytag Washer, older model. These are actually pretty good, of course, until they fail. But, okay, so I remove the back cover under the machine to the motor. And as you can see, that doesn't look that nice. Take a look at the capacitor, but take a look at the cover itself. This is bad. Okay, so if we look at the drum, we actually have some sort of small leak, and this is going to cause a problem eventually. Got the shifter right here. Now, when you got a machine that's completely worn out, you've got drum leaks and all that, just wait till it's done and go ahead and get yourself a new set. There are certain things that are not worth the time. Knocking sound, but due to what we see now, I know where it's coming from pretty much. Now, to remove this, you're gonna be needing a 1/2 inch. Then you can go ahead and remove it. Take it off. Oh man. Oh boy, that hurt. Clutch here. So this snaps that way. So you have to like press that way so that can slide over to this side where the opening is. You can go ahead and pull it out. Exactly like that. Now normally you got to remove the shifter, but if you can hook it from there without having to remove it, you're good either way. So in this kind of leak, it's causing it to slip, and it does a small knocking sound. Okay, so I increased the tension on the spring, and it seems to be working perfectly now. But there's one thing I'm not gonna be doing, which is putting this nasty cover back on there. There you go. Now that it's on there, we can go ahead and start a cycle. Let's try drain and spin. No, rinse and spin. Well, okay, now we hear the clicking sound, but we don't have to worry about that because we can now keep the door open because we have this part here. Drain. Okay, so this is a set washer and dryer. We got the dryer over here. Let's start by removing the fill time. So after removing these screws, so we got that. Now we have to pop the clips that it has right under there. It's got one on each side. Open towards the back. Now this allows us to check the belt, and as you can see, it's already got some issues. Switch. Now once these two have been removed, the harness disconnected, you kind of like lift it up. Okay, now this has got to turn better. Now that's a good roller. That's a bad roller. Now you got to make sure there's locks in place like this before when putting the belt. Go under it, hook onto this all the way around, and then the back pins have to lock in like that. The tension will be up so it won't come apart. And let's make sure that we have these clips here on both ends, and these clips are gonna go on that hole there. So make Okay, now let's check the model.